So, sir, where are you from?
Sydney, Australia.
They are from Sydney, Australia. And, sir, what are you doing here in Goa?
Holiday.
A holiday. So far.
Good.
How is Goa?
Good.
Great.
Yeah.
But I think it's too hot for you, sir.
No, we're used to it. It's hot in Australia too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, how is Goa?
It was very beautiful.
Hey, really?
And the food is really good.
Better than Australia?
Better than Australia.
Oh. Then, how are you feeling here?
Good.
Hey, bro, how are you feeling here in Goa? Wow, a dragon! You're playing game. Oh my goodness. So guys, now we are in Fort Aguada.
And in the 16th century,
Portuguese
Portuguese
built it for jail purpose,
yeah,
central jail.
First central jail of Goa.
Yes, and it was built by Portuguese people
Yeah.
because Goa was until 2014.
Yeah, no,
But
yeah.
2014 they were ruling Goa now, but Goa is now under control of Indian government. So let's see how is the फोर्ट अवगारा एंड आप सभी को बता दूं यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मूवी भी शूटिंग हुआ है जैसे कि दिल चाहता है, भागी 2,
इसके बाद ये गोविंदा का बहुत कुछ मूवी
हाँ उसका भी बहुत सारा मूवी। तो यहाँ का एंट्री फी है 25 रुपीज़ फॉर इंडियन एंड 300 प्लस फॉर फॉरेनर्स। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इज द फोर्ट अवगारा। So right now we are in queue and we are in Fort Aguada, and it was built by Portuguese in 16th century for prison purpose. Yeah, prison purpose. As you know, Goa was controlled by Portuguese till 2014, and after 2014, Indian government has again taken back the ownership. So let's meet.
दो ticket.
So for Indian is 25 rupees and for foreigner is 300 rupees. So now we are entering it. Hence the ticket 25 rupees per.
पता right.
Oh, so now for our let's go top. We will see this afterwards. What shall I say this? 16th century.
It's still strong.
Yes, it's very still strong. So this is Fort Aguada, and guys, let me tell you, आपको बता दूँ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मूवी भी शूटिंग हुआ है जैसे कि भागी 2, दिल चाहता है, and what else movie?
And various movies of Govinda.
Govinda, yes, was shot
yeah.
in this place, Fort Aguada.
Actually, I didn't remember the names.
But a lot.
Yeah.
It's really very surprising. The concrete is still very strong.
Yeah.
Yo, yes.
ये लड़कियाँ कहाँ चल रही
Fort
है?
Aguada.
Really, it's amazing.
Yes. The Portuguese, they ruled us.
The entrance is there.
Yes.
So we'll visit that too, okay, if they permit us.
Yes, let's go then. Come on, run. So now we are rushing. We don't have time.
Check this side.
Yes, I'm coming.
Nothing here. Same.
Same. Yeah. Let's get them.
Welcome.
So guys, now I'm with your name.
It's Kauri.
It's Kaure and he's Goan, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, and we are from Northeast Indian. So would you like to say something about us?
I like and love Northeast people from Assam, Manipuri, Nagaland, Tripura,
Arunachal.
Arunachal Pradesh, from China border.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Sikkim
Border
people.
side.
So honestly, I would like to say that the Goans, they don't discriminate other states, like
Yes, it is.
yes, like all they do with us. So I would like to request you all, please do visit Goa. It's nice place. It's really very silent place.
Silent place,
Yes.
peaceful place.
No pollution. Okay, thank you. So guys, now we are leaving Agora Port, Fort Agora, na?
Yeah.
So we had a lot of fun here, and the technology they used to build this prison is amazing. And it's kind of unbelievable. So guys, this is the exit point. So Bompa, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good and I have enjoyed the Fort Aguada. It was being built by Portuguese government during 1606.
Come on, let's. So we are having now.
Lemon soda.
Yes, mixed one.
And it's good.
This one is so.
And it gives a refreshing mind.